Bets. It's gonna happen. Moons! Moon! Yes! Yes! Here it goes. We got 593. All right, Kim, you're in timeout because I can't handle you saying it anymore.
What's that?
She keeps saying drums over and over and over. I get it after the first time.
Kim who?
Kim Foster.
Oh.
I don't know who she is. Come on. Let's go. Slot Lizards is right. Oh. There we go.
We're gonna go to Longhorn?
We may go to Longhorn, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. Oh!
Okay.
Why?
I don't know.
Because what? Oh. Guys, I can't. I'm like so up on this screen right now. I can't read the chat really.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry. I'm like literally like an inch away from the screen. Yeah, you push.
We're gonna hit it. Oh, come on. Oh, again. I think 1250 is where it's at. I think we're gonna get the moon race. Come on, moon race. Okay. We're gonna get it.
Paint it.
Do it for us. Wow.
Oh, come on now. We got the strippers back. The strippers are back trying to spam. Maybe that's why we're not winning. We need the strippers spamming us.
100 more.
Yeah, 100 more.
Here we go.
Oh, dirty. Oh, dirty again. Dude, this is just not our night tonight here.
Not here, possibly.
Not here, possibly. Should we stay live in the car? Or should we go live when we get to the Longhorn? Because I think
I'm gonna try one more.
we're gonna go one more 100. Or I say we just put what we brought here to go here.
We'll see.
Something? Oh man, you just went through that quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna see what happens. I'm gonna see what happens. I'm going 25. We're gonna get a hand pay. That's it.
All right, D's gonna get a hand pay. He's saying these last $25 bets.
It's gonna happen.
Moons! Moon! Yes! Yes! Finally! We got a bonus! Hold up, D. We got a bonus! Oh, look at him! Where's he at? Finally. D called it. Look at that guy. He doesn't know what's going on. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I just want to touch him. I missed you. I missed you. Come on, Boat Moons. Trigger?
Yeah! All right!
Moons!
Come on now. Wow.
It only takes one. There's a little something. There's a little something.
All right.
What do we get? 500 bucks? Ball moons!
Oh, come on. Fill the
Moons!
screen with something.
Finally! I broke my case. I squeezed it. They're out tonight. The strippers are out.
Slapping a minor.
I think we got a hand pay. He's right.
One more moon. One more moon. Oh.
We gotta get paid quick. I'm thinking over the speakers. We got a hand pay. We still got games. We still got games. Don't call it a comeback.
Won't do it, man!
Oh! One big one. Re-trigger.
Do it!
Oh, that's all right. 1260. All right. 1340. All right. Wait, I'll let them know what's up. All right, guys, we're gonna go back to squeakers. Squeakers was good to us. D called it. I was nervous. I was scared. I was scared. I was scared. God, these chairs are driving me nuts.
There we. I knew it. I'll get out of the way.
The lady is still on Auto Moon. She is camped out on it.
She's camped out on it.
I want to play it.
I wish we would have gotten that. It was right there.
It was.
It was there.
And 10 cents.
Do you want to try and go back to back on that real quick?
No, I'll.
Still have $75 over here.
Yeah.
We can try real quick. I don't know.
What are you thinking? Should we finish it out? You said it
don't
could
know.
hit. All right, hold on. Let's move it over. We're going to play the last 75 out.
Yeah, go ahead.
You do it. You push it. I'm not the lucky one. All right, guys. See if we can get some back to back. Back to back. Do it, D. Moon time. Oh! They both went by. Oh, close.
Almost.
Oh, it was close. I know Auto Moon's your favorite. If it comes open, we will play it because I love Auto Moon.
Here. You gotta put
I got some cash.
here. All right.
Are we buffering again?
And I didn't even really want to play it. So maybe it's just because I'm feeling that way. Okay.
All right, guys. Let me know if everything's good.
I think we'll have
I
to
refreshed it.
turn it up.
We're buffering, dude. Let me know if it's good. I refreshed it. Fast forward. You're way behind.
There,
We're back.
that's it.
We're back. Mortimer, we're back.
I want to see for a few spins what happens here. I think we'll get
We should maybe after we get that hand pay go to the Longhorn.
Maybe.
Think so. That's what everybody's saying. And we'll fire up another stream. What do you guys think about that?
Yeah. I think we'll get something here on 1250.
Unless we get on like a mega run real quick. Maybe we'll hit all these lightning link machines, you know what I mean? Come on, squeakers. Don't let us down. Ooh, those are good ones. Stellar slots. Let's go. Good luck, guys. Thank you very much for the $5 super chat.
All right. I think we got to go 750.
Or maybe 5 cent now?
I think so.
I think so. Like 625.
Okay.
Connie really hates the squeakers, man. I've never seen so much hate towards such a cute little guy.
I don't know. You go.
Ooh, almost slapped it in.
Come on now.
There he is.
Yeah. Yeah, you called it. You called it.
There he is. Man, everybody's hating on squeakers tonight.
I don't know what to say. If we get...
Oh, that was a big one. Did you see that?
I saw it. Pearl!
Missed it. Missed the mini by one.
Dolphin.
There we go. 75 bucks.
Dolphin.
All right. 100 bucks. We can go 10 cent denom. Run the gambit. Back-to-back squeakers. Man, the hate for the squeakers is real.
Come on now. Don't be like this.
Back to back, back to back. I get the squeakers now.
Come on, Dolphins. Come on, Dolphins.
Oh, 25 big bet, do it! Didn't do it. Doge, Mighty Cash, that's if we roll over to Longhorn. Big bet! Oh, there it is, one! Oh, just a lone squeaker. What's the plan?
I don't know.
Big bet! Oh, come on now. Let's see if we can get the last chance lucky winner. Last chance lucky winner. Absolute goose egg.